The lifeline of the National Capital Metro will be resuming from today, and that is a huge respite for a lot of people, especially to the ones who used to commute. As we see that economic activities are opening up, that requires a robust transportation. I have with me Rukhsar, who is a resident of Gurugram and has to travel very frequently. Rukhsar, you have been traveling every day ever since the unlock started. So, what were the problems that you were facing when the metro was shut?
So basically, with the metro, the budget really, without the metro, the budget goes haywire because you know how the bus routes are not very good. It's not very fast, and when you're a office goer, you have to reach on time. And at a time when there are so many layoffs, you'll have to basically be spot on. So, बहुत problems होती थी. Now we are, it's somehow it's a relief. Of course, we don't know how it's going to imply on us because इसके repercussions भी हमारे ही हैं. We are going to face if the management is not well. जैसे for example in the airports, what I've heard is they were not really managing it very well in the airports. So a few of my relatives have also been traveling. I traveled from Assam, so it has not been a very good experience there. But now there is no accountability from the government also because
Sir, just one small thing here. Earlier, before the metro, what was your major mode of transportation to reach office and to go around the city?
predominantly the cab.
The cab.
Yeah,
So that was putting a lot of burden on your pocket, of course.
definitely.
Achha, just one last thing here. What about on the safety aspect? Because of course safety comes as a priority here. What do you think that how safe would it be to travel in metro?
It depends. I don't know what are the rules. I've not gone inside right now, so I really don't know how they are managing it basically. So safety, definitely it's the authorities who will have to take care.
Right.
The people are not going to eventually take care and they're going to chill out eventually. So
So there are some apprehensions.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
That was Rukhsar Riti, one of the first passengers as far as metro is concerned, and this is the gate number 7. So staggered opening up of metro has started from today. Only the yellow line has started. There are staggered timings from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So that will be the staggered timing, especially these are the office hours, and only 57 metros will be resuming operation from today, and that will eventually increase. Also, the major point here would be that this is only the 20% of the capacity of the Delhi Metro, and that definitely is going to put a lot of burden on the officials here. Arogya Setu app will be necessary. There will be no tokens issued. Everyone will have to carry their smart cards. People must wear masks. They must have Arogya Setu application on their cell phones. So these are certain things I would like to show you what is happening here. There is a lot of security. There is a lot of media presence also. So this is Rajiv Gandhi Metro Station, one of the largest in the national capital. So definitely people are looking forward to the reopening of metro stations and metro services. But at the same time, everyone will have to be extremely careful while traveling by this mode of transportation.